Hello everybody, welcome to today's lab, where we're going to be adding expiry dates to items inside of our blob storage containers. So let's go ahead and get ready and sign into portal.azure.com. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to pick a picture that we're going to use because we're going to upload this picture. So for me, I just went to my desktop. I'll be using this picture of a sword and a shield. Got that shield from Value Village. It was just like a weird aluminum decoration wall hanging or something. Got it for like $2, and then bought a little belt from Value Village as well for $1. Cut it up, put some screws in it, nice shield. So, just a quick and easy little thing. Let's get back into Azure. So first thing we're gonna do is create a storage account. So in order to do that, we need a resource group. Let's go back and create a resource group. Blob resource group. Blob RG. Go to Microsoft Azure, go to storage accounts. Create storage account. We use a Blob RG. Storage account name could be Blob Storage. Put it account kind, blob storage. We don't need any geo-redundant stuff or anything like that, no replication. Go ahead and create it. It'll take a few moments. Our deployment is complete, so let's go ahead and get into our resource, our storage containers. So we can go down here and our storage account, and then go into containers under blob storage. We're gonna add a container, and the container could be anything you want. So it could just be a cool picture, because we're gonna be doing pictures, right? Public access, let's private. Nobody would be able to access it unless if we gave the permissions to. Blob is anonymous read access, so like anybody can look at it, but nobody can edit anything or anything like that. So container is just full access to anonymous people. Full read access to anonymous people, Go ahead and create that. Go under our container. Then we can go ahead and upload. Go to our desktop. Pick that number 1. Go to advanced. And we can go to upload to folder. So we don't have any folders yet, but we can just create a folder right now. Type in image. And I think that's all we're doing right now. We go into our folder. There's our image details right there. I could hit download. Open it up. So now that's pretty simple, right? So now all we gotta do further is putting an expiry date on these photos. So let's say I only want those photos in that container for 30 days and then automatically delete them because we don't need them anymore. So under blob service, we're going to go to lifecycle management. Here we can add a rule. Rule name 30 days. So we're going to apply limit blobs with filters. So we're going to do block blob type. Base blobs, that's fine. So here is a little parameters. So this is going to be in effect if it was more than 30 days old. Then we can do some different options here, but we're going to delete the blob. Go to next. Oh, by the way, if you don't want to delete it too, we can do something called move to cool storage. So there we can have another storage container. That could be like a recycling bin, like an archive, but there's also a different one for archives, so that's even more. So, deleting the blob, you're just deleting it, but putting it to cool storage, it's just something that you might need later on, but you don't want to get rid of it, but you don't use it often, so you put it in cool storage. But in archive storage, that's you won't use it at all, but you might need it for legal purposes for the next 7 years or something like that, so then you put it in archive storage. But for this lab, we're just going to keep it simple. And we'll delete the blob, go next. prefix match. So this is where we're going to be putting the filter on. So, you know, our filter name was, I believe it was cool picture / image. That was the location of where we put that image. So go add, and bam, that rule is right there. It's implemented. So that's the end of our lab. It's very easy, very easy, very easy. So hope you guys learned something valuable, and you will have 0 charges from that. So you don't have to worry about deleting the resources, but if you want, we can go ahead and go through that. So first thing we're going to do is delete the storage account. Go back, delete the resource group. Copy paste that name because it's going to ask for it. And just like that, easy peasy, our portal azure.com environment is back to the way it was before you watched this video. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.